Hello YouTube, Sid here with another video, and in this video I'm not going to talk about trading because it's Sunday, market is closed, and anyway market is red all over, so there is nothing to talk about. I'm going to take a few days off from the trading, so I decided to do a little bit different video, and in this video I'm going to share my protein shake recipe. So in 2020 I uploaded one video related to the protein shake, and I kind of upgraded that recipe. And since I'm following my new diet, I'm taking protein shake as my main meal for the lunch, and I'm certainly seeing a lot of benefits related to that, related to the change in my diet. In this video, I'm going to share my new improved recipe of protein shake. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I got all my ingredients here, and this is a, a Hamilton Beach blender. So it's easily available in Walmart for $19 to $20. So here I'm going to use a 2% reduced fat milk. So you can either prepare it with water, but it goes well with milk. So I'm going to take half a cup of milk right now, and in that I'm going to add all the dry ingredients, and that will make protein shake a little bit easy to blend. This is Isopure low carb protein powder, Dutch chocolate. It's very chocolatey and has that a very brownie type of taste. Also, it has very low carb and has 25 grams of protein. So if you are doing a keto diet or something like that where you are measuring your carbs, or even if you are on a low carb diet, this is good for you. So I'm going to use 2 scoops of it. After that, I'm going to add some baking cocoa powder, a little bit of it, not by much. I'm just going to use this cover as a measuring. So if you want to skip it, you can skip it, but I like to make my protein shake a little bit more chocolatey, so that's why I'm using it right now. After that, I'm going to use this mocha Nescafe mocha instant coffee pack. So this will give me caffeine a little bit, and always chocolate goes well with coffee flavor, for at least for me. If you don't want it, you can avoid it. And in that I'm going to use rolled oats, so that makes my protein shake a little bit thicker, and it will give me something to chew on at the end. I like it that way. If you don't want to use oats, you can completely skip it. I'm going to use 1 scoop of it. And the final ingredient of this protein shake is organic peanut butter. So this peanut butter has no other ingredients in it. It just has like organic peanuts, sea salt, and that's it. So if you are going to use any peanut butter from your local grocery shop, then please make sure that it just has like 1 or 2 ingredients. If it has just peanuts, then that's good. If it has sea salt, that's fine, but it should not contain any more sugar or any other fats to enhance its taste. So that's why I'm using it. And moreover, it gives your protein shake a little bit nutty flavor, and gives you a little bit of salty flavor as well. If you don't like it, you can completely skip it. It's optional. All the ingredients here, you can change it according to your taste. And the final step is add some more milk on top of it, so that whatever dry ingredients we added over here, it won't stick to the cup. And that's it. Let's blend it all together. So there you go, guys. Our protein shake is ready. So there you go, guys. This is our protein shake. It has everything in it that you need in a good protein shake. It has a chocolatiness, extra rich chocolatiness, I would say. It has the thickness of the milk. It has high quality carbs from oats and fiber in it. It has 50 grams of protein from the protein powder. It has the richness of the coffee, nuttiness from the peanut butter. So it has everything in it. So on top of that, if you just want to spice it up, maybe you can add some pumpkin spice on top of it. Of course, it should not have any sugar, or you can top it off with some cinnamon. I don't have cinnamon right now, but you can of course try it. All the ingredients that goes inside this protein shake are completely uh, changeable. You can change it with whatever you like. Just make sure that you have to keep carbs and sugar under control, which I did in this case. It has very low carb and almost no sugar in it. Whatever sugar that comes from the milk, it's in there, and that's it, guys. Just make it like the way I did, and tell me how you feel about it, if you like it or not. So I will put all the nutritional details or nutritional uh, sheet related to this protein shake down in the description below. So thank you for watching this video, and see you guys in next video. Stay safe. Peace out.